So SD card is installed. It won't turn on, but we'll go into bootloader mode. Okay, so it already have a 2.3.15, and now I'll just write a new firmware from the SD card, which is the latest one. Okay, write is successful, then I exit. Okay, it goes to the OpenTX, fine, right? But I can't turn it off. See, nothing happened. The only way I turn this off is to remove the battery. So I need to remove the battery. Okay, remove the battery. It's off. Put it back, and then it just won't turn on. But it will go into the bootloader mode again. Exit. It will go into the OpenTX, but still can't turn it off until I remove the battery again.